kind of my microphone was not working great. Okay, so again, I am in the dashboard, right? And I am also going to be like, I'll just open my Facebook again. So it's all cool. So this is opening. Facebook is opening here, right? That's my Facebook, right? And I'm gonna browse. I'm gonna browse the. So I went into the Phantombuster, logged into it, created a free account. You can create it easily, and you can browse the Phantoms, which are basically programs, automation programs, and then go into Facebook, right? And the first one we want to use is Group Extractor. So use this Phantom, right? And then you want to connect to Facebook, and there you can see you're now connected to Facebook. This is using the Google Chrome plugin which we installed, right? And now it's asking for the Facebook group URL. So let me just quickly go into Facebook. All right, okay. So I'm gonna go, I've joined a lot of groups, so I'm gonna go into groups, right? All right. So these are my groups. There are a bunch of groups and activities which are going on in the groups. And on the left-hand side, I can see all my groups, right? Now, let's say I want to connect to startups in Bangalore, for example, Bangalore startups, right? And so I'm going to click on the group, and it will just open up the group, right? And so I'm just gonna, like, if you see, if you see the URL on top, you want to clean up this URL, so it will be always facebook.com/group/ the group name. So this, in this thing, Bangalore Startups Connect, so it's Bangalore Startups slash dot connect here. So I'm just gonna clean up this group and put a enter. And so you always want to check and make a very smooth and a clean URL. And there you go. You will have the group open in front of you, and it's got 80,000 members. So probably people interested in startups and founders and co-founders would be in these groups. So I'll just take the URL here, and of course you have to be part of the group, so you should always join it before you want to start this. So I want to target these 80,000 people, and I'm going to paste the URL here, right? Quite simple. Okay. And then you, okay, so number of members you want to target, it will allow you to target up to take out details of up to 10,000 profiles, and then after that 10,000 you need to run it again and again. For purpose of time, I'm just going to take out, let's say 50 profiles out of this. So we're going to target 50 people. The result file name is Bangalore. Let's go start. Right, that's the CSV file I'm going to download, and I'm going to save this. Right, and okay, so this one is manual and repeated. I can repeat it to take out 20, target 20 more people and 100 more people every day. Like take out the details of 100 more people, but and you can set it, like you can set it 4 times a day, 5 times a day, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to do it manually. Like I'm just going to run this program once to see how I can get the data. Right, so there you go, everything is set up, and now I'm going to click on launch. Of course, we can always have a follow-up sessions once you guys try this out, and you can message me or whatever, just message me on WhatsApp or something. So okay, so it says authentication successful, and it's opening, so you can see this changing, and let's just wait for a bit. Okay, so it's done. gonna view logs, so there were no errors.